That's all the laughs I get. I was getting bigger ones earlier. Try again. Boo! Boo! Oh, silly baby. With the big blue eyes. Silly baby with the big blue eyes. See how much she's outgrown her little bassinet? We gotta take that out, Marley. You're too big for that. Look at you. Look at you. You silly one. You silly. Whoa, you look crazy. See her little hands. Her little chubby hands. It's been a rough day, huh, Marley? She's been pretty cranky. Yeah. I think she's having a growth spurt, believe it or not. Okay, bye-bye.